Well guys, my 2022 Toyota Tundra that should be in my driveway over there has been delayed another 11 days. Let's talk about this. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Yes, again, my truck has been delayed another 11 days. At this point, with all these delays with my truck and other people's trucks, we'd be better off winning Ronin Factory's 9th giveaway, their wide-body Ford Raptor, with the purchase of a jacket like this. So yes guys, Ronin Factory again is giving away a Ford Raptor, this one with $20,000 in cash as well, and the charity for this giveaway is Meals on Wheels. So like with every giveaway they do, Ronin Factory partners with a charity, which is why I absolutely love this company. And for the holiday season, they have partnered with Meals on Wheels to provide meals for veterans, elderly, and those in need, to provide them with food for this holiday season. So by clicking my link in the description and in the pinned comment, using my discount code TRDJON to save 10% on their awesome apparel, you guys are not only getting entered to win their wide-body Ford Raptor, Alpha Rex headlights, 40-inch tires, pedal commander, it's tuned, light bars, wide-body fiberglass, and $20,000, but you are also donating money to a charity for a great cause this holiday season. So guys, use the link, use my code, and go get yourself some merch, anything over on Ronin Factory's website to get entered into this awesome giveaway and hopefully win that truck, because we all know someone's gonna win it before they get their 2022 Tundra. So yes guys, my Tundra has been delayed. The original build date was supposed to be December 13th. Now it's been delayed 11 days to December 24th, which is Christmas Eve. So unless they're down in San Antonio, Texas, jobbing hard on Christmas Eve, my truck will probably be delayed again, which stinks. So not only that, but once it's finally built, it's gonna get trucked to the distribution center, gone through with a little fine-tooth comb real quick, and then to the dealership, and then all the PDI stuff. So it's gonna be a minute. We're almost talking middle of January now. So this really stinks. You guys may be thinking, why is it taking so long for your batch of trucks to get built? Well, I live in the beautiful state of Florida, but that falls under Southeast Toyota. So where the truck is built in San Antonio, it is, everyone got them there a couple weeks ago. From there, it starts branching up into all the different other Toyota regions. So it's going up, it's going west. Southeast Toyota is one kind of private company, I guess, for Toyota. I don't really know all the intricacies about it, but the contacts that I've talked to in Oregon, Arizona, Texas, they said that Southeast Toyota is unique, and like VIN numbers and everything like that, they can't see it on their end. So Southeast Toyota basically gets all these trucks last. So they just landed in Miami. So that is like the main hub for them to get all the stuff. And then they're coming this way. So I've talked to my contacts, especially after seeing what RSG Off-Road did with just a normal SR5 four-wheel drive in blueprint. This truck looks absolutely amazing. I've asked him, and I keep asking him from like a couple weeks ago, like, hey, is there any way to change my order? Like, can I speed it up, do anything like that? A limited, normal SR5, just four-wheel drive, anything. I don't care at this point. Just how can we get it faster? Can't. All the trucks are spoken for. Dealerships already have their allocations. Dealerships already have their demo trucks. Everything's been pre-sold that, really can get pre-sold. Even Toyota Jeff. Ask Jeff. Jeff, can I somehow get a truck from you? Can we collab, do something like that? Nope, all pre-sold, and the only thing he has available is a two-wheel drive truck. Don't want a two-wheel drive truck, want a four-wheel drive truck. So if I didn't have this YouTube, I'd just be another guy waiting for a truck, and I really wouldn't care, right? Because whatever, it's a little bit longer until I have to make a truck payment. But since I have this YouTube and we've launched Trail Tundra, I need it. We need to be talking with companies, figuring things out, figuring parts out, rock sliders, roof racks, suspension systems. We want to be some of the first for this truck to develop things for it. Now, this is a completely brand new platform, so there will still be this R&D for this truck for the next X amount of years for this thing. Companies will always be coming up with new things for the truck, new mods for the truck, and we want to be part of that. So like I said, Trail Tundra, that is something that we are launching. It's kind of in a soft launch right now, but what that is a glorified forums. Forums suck. They are hard to go through, hard to navigate. Maybe I just am bad with them, but they're always not the best photos, not step-by-step instructions, and then you just have people talking shit in the comment section of, oh, why'd you do it this way? Why'd you do it that way? You should have done this. So what Trail Tundra is, just like Trail 4Runner and just like Trail Tacoma, high-res photos, step-by-step install instructions, reviews, truck news, everything like that in a nice high-res platform. So if you guys are interested in maybe writing for that, we're paying writers to write for that. Go ahead and use the link down in the description. Fill out a quick application, send us some sample photos, and we'll get you in the queue to start writing some articles for Trail Tundra. And then also to relate for that, being some of the first to do these things, like I want to be the guinea pig for you guys. Everyone says, don't get the first year of the truck, it's gonna have problems. Okay, I wanna show you guys all the problems that the truck has. Like, don't go spend $50,000 and have crazy problems. You know, watch it here first, watch me go through all the trial and error, and then, you know, make your decision if you really want the truck after that. So it definitely sucks, guys, not having the truck right now, but hey, it is what it is. We still have content coming for this. I still have the video to finish editing for you guys for the suspension system that we put on this truck. The wheels and the tires, they are getting mounted and joined together right now, so I'm probably gonna have to go pick those up in a couple hours. We have a lot more Tacoma content coming and 4Runner content coming to help bridge this gap until the 2022 Tundra is finally here. So guys, if you're new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers as always. I appreciate your guys' support, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.